Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial, and this tutorial is about this KUMI cord. These KUMI cords are used for the mochila bags as well, so this is one of the elements that you will need for your mochila. So this is just a beginner one, and if you are a beginner you just continue watching, and if you are not a beginner and you are really a professional at KUMI cord, just skip this tutorial. But I'm not a professional myself, but I don't spend much time on making the cord, so I just make a simple design. I just put the colors there in the KUMI disc, and I just work the beginner KUMI cord usually. So yeah, I just want to show you how I did this one, for example. This is for one of my mochila bags that I did recently. And if you don't want to spend money on buying a KUMI disc and all that stuff, you just do a very simple one. This works perfectly, especially for a beginner. And this is with 8 holes here, but you're gonna need to use just 7 lines, okay? 7 yarns. So yeah, then let me show you how I did this one. So yeah, you just get a box of something. This was sent some Amazon orders that I did, so I just got a piece of the box, and then I just cut it on the as a disc. I opened a hole here, and then I did cut on both sides here, 1 2 3 4, and then also I did also another cut in the half. So in total I have 8 of them. Okay, so to do the KUMI cord, the logic behind that is like this. In my case, I'm using just 8 holes, which means 7 yarns, but then there is 16 and there is so many out there. But this is just a very simple one, okay? Okay, so then I use these colors because, as you can see, my mochila it has these colors. So I have to use these colors for my KUMI cord, okay? And I didn't have any specific color choice. I just did 2 black, 2 white, 2 this pink here, and then just 1 the light pink, just like that. Okay, so once you have the DIY KUMI disc, you just put all the yarns, the 7 yarns together, and tie a knot in one side. Okay, like this. Make a knot, and then try to insert it here on the hole. Yeah, like this. Okay, so you will have this one like this showing, right? And then in this side you just put all the yarns one by one in the hole. I don't have a specific place for each color, I just put them anywhere because I don't have a specific design for this KUMI cord, so I just choose and put them one by one, just like this. Yeah, so it's going to look like that, and then you're gonna have one empty one here. So it's just going to look like this. So how it works, you just count from the right side, the down right side, okay? Number 3, 1 2 3. So you get the third one and you bring it at your empty place here, and Okay, so yeah, this is how it's coming out down here. So if you keep working like that, you are just going to have the result like this, and then you just do the length that you want to do. Okay, yeah, so this is the video for KUMI cord, and this is the beginner one, and I hope this was helpful for you. So on your way out, give me a thumbs up, and you know the drill. Share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you are considering to subscribe. Check my Etsy shop for patterns. And yeah, if you see this pattern here, this mochila here, this is one of my patterns. You can also get it on my Etsy shop, this pattern. And yeah, I will see you on my next one, and thank you for watching.